need some water.
I just bought a second motorcycle today. She's supposed to have oil on her.
It should be there.
Hey!
You can see it was running really, really rich. Flow gets lower. Yeah.
Muscle. I'm gonna clean up this a little. Try to wash this, see if I can get any of the staining off at all, and get all the dust off. So, if you don't know me, my name's Sarah, and I'm trying to restore a 2002 Royal Enfield Bullet 500. And tomorrow we're gonna do a ton of work, so I thought today would be a good option to just clean everything up so it's beautiful when we take it for our first little drive, which will hopefully be tomorrow. So, time to get my hands dirty and get cleaning. This is gross. So, my little bag of tools here, it's not really a bag. We've got car wash, that's gonna help rinse some of this off. Some ceramic detailer. We won't be using this too much today. I use this in between washes on my other bikes. And I also have my wax. This is my favorite wax. It smells so good. Man, not sponsored. Wish I was. Call me McGuire. This is also some quick wax, which I like to use on chrome. Probably won't use that today. We still have to get all this paint off before I can do that. Well, some of it's peeling off. We'll see once I get to scrubbing how much just comes off. Regular dish soap in case some things get weird. A chain thing. I probably won't play with the chain too much today, but this might help me with some of the grosser areas. And then I just have some more chain lube for when we're done cleaning. So I'm going to go ahead, fill up this bucket with some water, put in some car wash stuff, and then I will be back. Okay. So to get started, we just need some water. A little bit of It's not complicated. Don't overthink it. Alright, now I'm going to empty my other bucket and just have that be water since I don't really want to hose this thing down. Over here, I've got some Windex for any glass. Put that in a pile. Then I've got a bunch of clean towels, a scrubber, which this is just like a false paper towel thing. I'm going to use that as a sponge today. Some clean towels, and then some of these for getting crevices. The second bucket, put these in the soapy so they can soak. And this one will just be water. No soap. You can use sponges if you've got them. I'm just a little lazy. I don't. Got them. First, what I like to do is kind of soak everything you're gonna wash. Let the water kind of sit on it for a little bit, and then you can go ahead and use some soap. This is just water. Towels work pretty well, but like the skinnier towels, like for bathing or whatever, I don't know. I find they don't really leave the leg in a super nice condition. This already looks so pretty. This doesn't even have wax on it. Time for you to come inspect my work, my friends. You become mobile. Woo! You down. Can I see you? Hey. Alright. So, as I mentioned before, like stuff like this, I'm really not going to be able to wash away. It's a scratch that's deep through the paint. So, but the whole case for the tail lamp should cover up most of this, so hopefully that'll help. But there's other spots here, like this rusted through. I'll have to decide what to do with that, if I'd like to apply some paint. But I got, let's just make this tall. There we go. But I got all the like basic dust off. So this is nice. Like this is what we were working with before. This level of dust. It's pretty nasty. But I didn't want to get too close to these electrical stuff just yet. And like stuff like this, we're probably gonna have to get off with like a paint stripper. And then let's see, can you see the like orange spidering off of the tank here? This is where the gasoline spilled out and it stained, it looks like. So I think we'll have to do some buffing and then some more polishing after. We'll see how that looks when we're done. From far away, I don't really think it's super noticeable. Like I'm actively looking for it so I see it. But I'm interested to see in the sunlight. See, it's also a little foggy where it spills as well. I'm not sure if you can see that well. We'll see. We'll do some buffing. I think it'll be fine. It's a used bike, man. We're doing our best. And this is the front now. Ooh, so nice. Beautiful, beautiful Ari. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, and the exhaust. I have to show you that. It's hard to really show it off right now since we're inside here. But there are some rust spots on it. So we're gonna have to do something about that eventually. But this is where we're at right now. Pretty nice. Next up, gotta do some let's see, what are we doing next? Oh, next up we're doing our oil change and some carb tuning, and then I think we're gonna drive it. We're gonna put it all back together and we're gonna drive it. I'm so excited. So with that, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the like button if you really liked it, if you're excited for the rest of Hari, and I hope you stick around, and I'll see you next time. Ride safe. Bye bye.